Power BI is powerful, but sometimes getting row-wise grand totals feels like hunting for treasure. First, matrix visuals will be our map. They organize data beautifully. Next, row subtotals act as our checkpoints, summarizing sections neatly. Formatting makes everything visually appealing. And finally, Power Query lets us add that custom grand total effortlessly. Buckle up, because we're about to turn complexity into simplicity. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine trying to analyze a huge data set without a grand total. It's like reading a novel and skipping the last chapter. Grand totals wrap everything up neatly, giving clarity. They allow quick decision-making and can be applied across different visuals. Plus, Power BI offers customization to fit your exact needs. Stick around, because mastering grand totals can make life much easier. Tables and matrices sounds fancy, right? Well, choosing the right one is like picking between tea and coffee. Tables show raw data, no fluff, while matrix visuals provide structure. Both allow subtotals and grand totals, but which one you use depends on your reporting needs. Think of them as your secret tools to making data more understandable. Ever wondered why some tables feel incomplete? A grand total row solves that. First, make sure you're summing up all the right data. Then use calculated columns to keep numbers in check, no surprises there. Keep the formatting consistent, so it doesn't look like a puzzle with mismatched pieces. And finally, if the table size varies, consider a dynamic adjustment. We want totals that look smart, not like a last-minute afterthought. DAX is like magic, but the kind that requires practice. Start with functions like sumx to get flexible calculations. Make sure you're pulling numbers from the right tables, or you'll end up with totals that don't add up. Filters can mess with your totals, so keep an eye on context. And lastly, always test your calculations. Trust me, it's much better than realizing your total is off in front of an audience. Why settle for generic when you can customize? Custom measures in DAX let you fine-tune your totals. Make them reusable, because no one likes reinventing the wheel. Variables help keep things clean and easy to understand. Nobody wants a messy equation. And if your dataset is massive, optimizing performance is key. Let's make totals that work smarter, not harder. Numbers matter, but so does style. A well-formatted total stands out. Make sure it's noticeable but not screaming for attention. Consistent color schemes help keep things elegant. Avoid cluttering your tables. No one wants to squint to find the total. And finally, make sure it looks great everywhere, from giant presentation screens to tiny mobile devices. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.